Listen, listen, listen. I have caught up with the young lady that I particularly call her the queen of editing, but she's a lot more than that. She's a book coach. She can help you she can make your stuff look good on paper, my folks. Hello, Coach Naiomi.
Hey,
How
Dr.
are you
Grant.
today?
I'm good. I'm great. Great.
The other day, I got an inbox from you. I got an inbox from you telling me about, before we get to that, Coach Naiomi, what was it like when I used to tell you that you should value your time at $997 an hour? What was that like?
When I came to you, my biggest struggle was seeing my value and putting uh, a comparable dollar amount with my
Uh-huh,
value.
uh-huh,
I
uh-huh.
just didn't. You saw more in me as far as the value,
Mm-hmm.
my potential than I did.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Um,
So how did you feel when I was telling you that your value was like $997 an hour? And I would put them numbers out there. How did you feel?
I at first I was like, I can't ask someone to pay that much. That's too much. I was more concerned with the other person's wallet than my value for the services that I was offering. Yeah,
So
so it's hard.
recently you had a client, recently you inboxed me, you text me, what happened?
I closed my first $5,000 client, coaching client. Yeah, it was great. It was great, and it's because of you. I literally, not just from my notes and from my classes and sessions with you, but some of the tools that you have used in your own coaching business. And you allowed me to customize them for me and my client, and they were just so valuable. In my presentation to her, she saw the value of the services that I was offering her, and she saw what she could accomplish.
Mm-hmm.
And it just worked, and she realized that I was the one that could help her to get where she needed to be.
And how did you feel after you closed that? How did you feel? Did they wire you the money? Did they send it through pay online? How did you feel? And what has that done for you?
It's made me feel proud. It's also made me, as I expressed to you, it just reaffirms the value that I find in you, that I have with our coaching relationship. Um, and it just inspires me to do more and to go higher. She is an old fashioned kind of person who likes to write a check. And when she handed me over my check, she said, I haven't written a check this big for anybody besides a Wells Fargo. So I want you to know that I trust you.
Oh, and that was a $5,000 check.
Yes.
$5,000. Congratulations. I know there's more to come. I look forward to doing my $10,000 client with you
Yeah.
next. Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.